Welcome back, dolls. This is Angela Denise, and I am here with you today with some makeup empties. I have a bag full of makeup products that I have completely used up that I wanted to come and share with you guys. Now, I want to go ahead and sift through this bag and just kind of determine on whether or not I would repurchase these products, if I enjoyed them, and so on and so forth. So, if you are interested in what's in this bag and if I would repurchase it, please just keep on watching. So in no particular order, let's just go ahead and start grabbing. This was the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I absolutely loved this. It is super affordable. I did feature this one in Beauty Favorites either September or October. I think that it was $12, and I absolutely love this mist. I love that the mist was super fine and that it's just right over at Ulta, highly accessible and affordable. Next, I have my GlamGlow Glow Setter, and this one is one that I've been using in my collection since 2017. I absolutely love this one. This one has caffeine, so it really makes the skin look nice and perky and awake. This is kind of an expensive one. This is $30-something, but I really liked it, even though I didn't talk about it that much on my channel, and this is one that I absolutely would repurchase. Next, we have a MAC Fix Plus. You guys already know how I feel about MAC Fix Plus. I absolutely love Fix Plus. It's an OG in my collection. I'm actually completely out right now. Actually, I take that back. I have the Fix Plus Matte, but I don't like that one. I did feature that one in a product fail back in 2018, but I love Fix Plus. As soon as I can get a chance, I will repurchase it. This is a staple in my beauty routine. Next is another Fix Plus, and this is a different one. This is Rose. This is the Rose Fix Plus. I think that they came back out with this one, but honestly, you guys, I really don't like the flavored Fix Plus. Just give me my regular old plain Fix Plus, but I don't like the flavored ones. I'm glad that I tried it out, but no, I would not repurchase Rose again. So next, I have a couple of makeup remover products, and the first one is the It Cosmetics Bye Makeup, and this one is the 3-in-1 Melting Cleansing Balm. I did purchase this one earlier in the year in 2018 or even 2017. I really just got through it, and I used a lot of it just to get rid of it. This one, you had to go in a couple of times before you actually get all the makeup off your skin. So this is one that I totally would not repurchase, and I don't think that it's worth the money. Next, I have my Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser, and y'all, I absolutely love this cleanser. I have repurchased this over and over and over again over the last 2 years. I am actually all out right now, so I'm trying to pace myself with my beauty purchases. I've already maxed out my budget for January, so I'm holding on, and I'm currently using a few samples of the Beauty Blender liquid cleanser until February gets here, so that I can go ahead and purchase another one. I love this stuff. So next, I have a MAC Dimension Lash Mascara, and I absolutely love this mascara for my bottom lashes. I'm all out of this right now. I don't talk about this one very much on my channel, but this is one that I purchased because of Mel Thompson, like back in 2018, and it is really good for separating and defining the bottom lashes, and I totally would repurchase this product again. Next, I have a no-name crusty nasty looking brow gel. I think that I purchased this from a beauty supply store probably a year and a half ago, so you can see that I haven't even finished it all yet. I am currently using my Benefit Brow 24-Hour Brow Setter. That is my holy grail brow setter. This was a waste of time, but I mean, it got the job done. So, but no, I wouldn't repurchase it again. I am a Benefit Brow girl for life. Next is a CO Bigelow like lip balm, and this was cool. This was a lip shine. It's just that I've been having it in my collection probably 3 years, just in the closet in a bucket, and it's gross and nasty. Okay, dolls, this particular product I have been having in my collection, I know, since 2014, and I know it's so gross, but this is the first translucent powder that I used to love and use for the first time, and that was the CoverGirl Professional Loose Setting Powder, and this was the shade Medium. But yeah, this is what I used to use. I used to absolutely love it, but it has been in a box in the shelf for a long time, and it is time to say goodbye. Next, I have another MAC Fix Plus. You already know. This was my favorite mascara for 2017, and that is the Lancome Hypnose Drama. I absolutely love this stuff. I went through 3 or 4 tubes of these already. So basically right now I'm trying out other mascaras. So eventually at some point I will repurchase, but right now I'm going to pass on repurchasing it because I'm trying new things, but I do absolutely love the formula. Next, I have a foundation. Going through this is like taking a trip down memory lane, by the way. Next is a foundation from MAC that I used to wear a long time ago, like 2015. This is the MAC Matchmaster SPF 15, and this is a shade 7.0. I don't even remember what the formula is like, but I still love MAC foundations. So I won't repurchase it at the moment, but that doesn't mean that I wouldn't repurchase it sometime in the future. So, all right, so the next product that I have from MAC is a MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Do you remember when everyone used to love this? I still love it, but this is a shade NW35. I do have a backup of this in my collection. So I am collecting a few MAC things in this bag so that I can do a back to MAC here soon. The next thing is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. If I could recall correctly, this was actually a really good mascara, and I really enjoyed it. And I could totally see myself repurchasing this. Alright, so another foundation, guys. This is my first and probably still favorite foundation from the drugstore. Back in the day on my channel, I used to wear this foundation out. I feel like it looked absolutely beautiful on the skin. And that is the Black Opal True Color Liquid Oil-Free Foundation, and I had to mix 2 shades. This was I can't remember which one this one was, but I want to say that this one was Nutmeg. Nutmeg was a little bit too red, and then this one, I guess it's the one a little bit lighter than that, was a little bit too light. But I used to love the Black Opal foundations. You guys let me know if you ever used this back in the day. And do they even still make Black Opal foundations? Like, I have no clue, but I used to love this foundation back in the day. Next is one of my holy grail products. This is one of the primers that I have been using in my collection probably the longest as far as high end is concerned, and that is the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. You guys know that I have like 2 backups in my collection. I did pick these up a while ago during an Ulta sale when they were doing them 50% off, so I do have backups in my collection. I love this primer. Next is one of my holy grail OG liners. Back in the day on YouTube, everyone used to talk about the Inglot number 77 eyeliner. I love this stuff. I actually have a backup already. I always keep one of these, and I can't remember exactly how much it costs, but I feel like for what you're getting and the quality that you're getting, it doesn't cost as much as other gel eyeliners, if you ask me. But I love this stuff. It is the bomb. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I really do love the Urban Decay eye pencils, but just put your lid back on it, because what happened to this one is it dried out. So yeah, that's kind of why this one is in this video. But I absolutely love these pencils, and I will continue to repurchase them in the future. So next is a Anastasia Dark Brown Brow Wiz. You can see that the tip fell off. I think that's like a defect of these brow pencils, because I used to use these like in 2017 and early 2018, and these would fall off all the time. But I wouldn't repurchase this simply because I am a Benefit brow girl now. So yeah. Next I have a old spiked MAC brow pencil, and I don't necessarily use MAC brow products anymore simply because of what I just stated about the Benefit brow products. But this one was one that I used to use all the time, but I have moved on, so no, I would not repurchase it simply because it doesn't have like the spoolie, and the Benefit brow I feel is a better product. Even the Anastasia brow product is better. Next I have a small 1.7 ounce eye makeup remover from Lancome. This is my holy grail eye makeup remover. It's a couple of people's holy grail eye makeup remover. This is the Bifacil. I do have a couple of different backups of this. I absolutely love this makeup remover, and my dog is barking. Okay, so this is my Holy Grail eye makeup remover. I'm sure that it's a couple of people's Holy Grail eye makeup remover. Now, what I will say is that I did just repurchase it again. Ulta had a sale where they did them 50% off. I am currently using the Sephora eye makeup remover. I don't think that it's as good as this one, but it'll work. It gets the job done and it's super affordable, but I still will continue to repurchase this one because I absolutely love it. All right, so last but not least is my MAC Gently Off Micellar Water Wipes. This is the second packet of these that I have ran through. These are the only makeup wipes that I use on my face because I feel like it doesn't have a lot of alcohol content, which is one of the things that I'm worried about when using makeup wipes. But these are really good and I absolutely love them. The only time that I would repurchase them is when MAC is having the 25% off. So it'll be a while before I buy them again because I have like a fixed budget where I only spend a certain amount on beauty products in a given month. So this will be repurchased, just not right now. Alright dolls, so that's going to wrap up my makeup empties. I had quite a few products that I've kind of accumulated over the last couple of months. 70% of the products that I just mentioned would be repurchases, simply because generally if I don't like a product, I will return it. I hope that you guys like these types of videos and me talking about products that I've used up and just going a little bit more in detail versus just hauling things on my channel. That is going to wrap up the video for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will see you dolls next time.